I actually don't know much about investing, so I came here to basically educate myself on how I can do better with my money.
I think I want to make my money work harder for me. So I want to also learn investing, and I think learn it the right way as well. What was very good about the whole entire course was it's very step by step. Individual portions were quite easily picked up. In terms of the ease of understanding what he wants to teach us, it's been very easy.
I think it's the coaches because they've been through it before, so they're really telling us a lot of lived and life experience. It's not so difficult to connect in that sense, and it makes us really understand what is the investing path that they had gone through. So you realize that you do what you're comfortable with, you do within your circle of competence. Yeah.
I would think that really give investing a chance, because I think that is one way to really make your money work harder for you. If you really want to find out what value investing is, I think this is the best place to go for.
I think just to come and educate yourself on what you don't know. It can't hurt to widen your base of knowledge just to make informed decisions about your investment and about how you want your money to work harder for you. So knowledge goes a long way. What you choose to do with it after that, it's your own choice.